Hi everybody, my name is Asia. I am a 25-year-old stay-at-home mom. I have a 4-year-old and a 7-month-old, and today we are making baby food. I don't like buying baby food. I don't like the ingredients in it, and I just rather make it myself. It's cheaper. I know what I'm putting in there, and there's just no question about it. So let's make some baby food.
About you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change it. I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours. We both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still. Tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I would care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you'll see
catch riding dirty in the club before 11 o'clock, like I'm trying to catch it down kinda early. Look, you thick, her hair brown and curly. She love the way my ride shine and pearly. City boy said she fine jury. If being fresh to death is a crime, I think it's time for me to see the jury. Millionaires, they on the grind. Hustle like me is hard to find. I ain't really impressed. That's unless it's about some dollars. Ain't no need to call you fine. Know you be hearing that all the time. Watching you do your step. Do your step. Yep, it's going down.
Don't mind my hair, but while I wait for the sweet potatoes to finish up, I am going to clean up and start on the big people's breakfast, which is just chili cheese fries. I was in the mood for some.
I just can't help it, trying to keep it cool. I can feel it in the beat. What you do, don't stay to me. Don't let nothing stop you.
I have some sweet potatoes, spinach and banana, zucchini, sweet peas, carrots, and some broccoli and cauliflower. So that was everything that I made. I am now gonna start bagging everything. Yes, I'm about to put them in breastfeeding bags because I know that they can be frozen and it'll just be easier to thaw the food out. So that's what I'm gonna do.
Everything that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Yeah. I put the blame on me for giving you chance after chance. I love what you can't stand, and I try to be strong, but how much can I put your words on your life this time? And I hope you ain't lying, 'cause only the thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever come, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been really fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Me, can you focus on me?